In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Finally, you can tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. Nextly, tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go into exactly the same settings. This time though, tap on this plus icon under My Themes at the top. Tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!